Horse is a show about a boy named Albert who gets a horse when he's very young, and he sort of grows up alongside this horse. But it's set at the beginning of World War I in England.
Albert kind of raises Joey and gets him to, and teaches him how to do different things, plow the field, this and that, and then eventually Joey goes off to war as a war horse.
The horse is not a live horse on stage. It's actually a puppet that looks very much like a horse, but it's maneuvered by 3 people.
Even though you're aware that there's these 3 men underneath right in front of you, you really just look at the horse and, you know, the eyes seem to have this intelligence in them and they feel alive and dangerous.
The puppetry work alone, I would get a ticket as soon as possible. I would recommend this show to anyone.
I think this play has a lot of incredible messages that people can take away from it, and I think everything about it is magical. The production, the design, the direction, the story that Michael Morpurgo wrote.
War Horse is such a wonderful play, and it caters to that audience that wants to see spectacle, that wants to see a moving story.
I would definitely recommend it to anybody. It's appropriate for all ages, and I would say definitely, run to this show. Take your family, it's fantastic.
I hope that people that come and see this play can walk away with a real experience and something that they feel involved in and something that makes them think.
It was a show that I don't think I'll ever forget. I have never walked out of a theater feeling more satisfied.